Who were saved from the fiery furnace? A. Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego. B. Daniel. C. Nehemiah. D. Ezra. E. Job. Correct answer is A. Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego. Who was Abraham's wife? A. Sarah. B. Rebecca. C. Rachel. D. Leah. E. Hannah. Correct answer is A. Sarah. Who was Isaac's son and twin of Esau? A. Jacob. B. Joseph. C. Benjamin. D. Judah. E. Levi. Correct answer is A. Jacob. Now it's time to see how well you did. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Share and challenge your friends to see who gets the most right. Don't forget to follow us and see you in the next challenge.